In today's video, we will take you to explore the world of machinery in the agricultural and forestry industry. We will provide you with complete and practical information, helping you grasp the operation and application of machinery systems. Let's open up new and interesting knowledge with us so that you not only understand but also love agricultural and forestry technology more. In the silence of the dense forest, the TMK 200 cutter stands out as a powerful giant in the logging industry. Possessing a sophisticated design and outstanding cutting performance, this cutter is not simply a tool, but the embodiment of power and prestige in the field. Every detail of the TMK 200 is crafted with meticulous precision, allowing it to conquer the largest and toughest trees with surprising ease. The S5MZ160 cutter and grinder is a powerful machine, specifically designed to handle areas with dense vegetation. When attached to the BuB 860i, this tool becomes a multifunctional front attachment, ideal for clearing and clearing land before planting or carrying out construction projects. The combination of the BuB 860i and the FMAC S5MZ160 grinder not only makes assembly easy but also brings high efficiency to agricultural work. The Blue Diamond heavy-duty brush cutter is a beast on all terrains, with up to 85 horsepower, easily cutting through weeds and dense bushes. With a super durable, 1.8 meter wide blade, the machine can clear a large area in just a few smooth cuts. With a powerful engine and sturdy design, the machine operates durably in all conditions, ensuring you are not afraid to face any challenge. Pekin Australia's new standard flow crusher is specially designed for wheel loaders and loaders, delivering superior performance. With its powerful and efficient crushing ability, it greatly improves the speed and efficiency of clearing and demolition work. This equipment is the optimal choice for jobs that require durability and high performance. The SEPI Maxiforce PTO wood chipper is a professional device designed to be connected to the Fendt 936 tractor, capable of processing wood of any diameter, providing high performance in chipping all types of wood. The machine's M-Turbo fluid coupling system not only replaces the mechanical centrifugal clutch, but also provides smooth rotor starting, improves reliability, and protects the tractor's PTO from strong impacts, equipped with advanced technology. The West-Tech Woodcracker G root scraper is equipped with a powerful hydraulic clamping system, making it easy to remove all branches and roots quickly and efficiently. The device's hydraulic clamping technology ensures thorough cleaning, leaving the landscape area clean and ready for further use. Woodcutter. The Avant Wood Splitter is an efficient firewood cutting device, integrated with the Avant Mini Wheel Loader, providing fast and precise wood splitting with a capacity of 13 tons and the ability to cut wood up to 50 centimeters in diameter, saving time and effort in firewood processing work. The John Deere S780 stands out for its outstanding performance in harvesting organic peanuts thanks to its powerful engine and advanced harvesting system. This tractor not only ensures a fast and efficient harvesting process but also maintains the quality of the final product. With modern technology, the John Deere S780 optimizes work performance and saves energy, bringing great benefits to farmers in producing high-quality organic products. It is truly an ideal choice for organic agriculture. Welcome to the world of Press A40 Strawberry Bed Machine, a breakthrough in strawberry productivity and development. This machine is capable of producing up to 4 rows of strawberry beds at a time, equipped with advanced features such as hydraulic head sweep system and pig feet, which optimize the workflow. With this innovation, it not only helps to manage the work efficiently, but also helps farmers to significantly improve productivity and optimize strawberry cultivation. The Felipe Boris Automatic Olive Harvester is a great example of innovation and convenience. Easily attached to a variety of cranes or vehicles, it can harvest and store up to 150 kilograms of olives before needing to be dumped. Its clever design ensures efficient collection of fallen olives from the ground, improving efficiency and saving time for the user. The Northwind BBM Lawn Mower is a powerful device with a 5.5 HP 4-stroke gasoline engine, making it easy to cut grass in large and hard-to-reach areas. The machine is equipped with a 26-inch stainless steel blade, providing fast and precise cutting at speeds up to 2,500 RPM. In particular, the Northwind VBM has a sturdy and easy-to-maintain transmission system, ensuring stable and durable performance for a long time. The John Deere 6930 hedge trimmer is a powerful choice with a 6-cylinder, 200 horsepower diesel engine, allowing for quick and efficient handling of dense hedges. Equipped with a precision cutting system with a 3-meter wide blade and a cutting speed of up to 1,500 RPM, the machine provides clean and even cutting. Combined with McConnell, a cutting aid with a flexible lifting mechanism and a cutting angle adjustment system, it helps achieve optimal performance and ease of operation in all terrain conditions. The Brouwer Kesmac 4000R is a true powerhouse in the agricultural industry, boasting the ability to produce grass rolls ranging from 16 inches to 24 inches in diameter, even on soft ground. The machine's roll stacking system is simple yet highly effective, allowing up to 5 grass rolls to be transferred smoothly onto rear-mounted pallets. This not only saves labor, but also allows forklifts to transport and stack grass rolls flat or into pyramid-shaped piles. Furthermore, the Brouwer 4000R places great emphasis on operator comfort with a premium OEM cab, tinted windows, air conditioning, and a coach seat, ensuring trouble-free operation regardless of the weather. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with my latest woodworking videos, from CNC machines, wood carvings to wood lathes. It is the dedication and commitment to each stage of the process that creates unique and quality wood products. Stay tuned for more videos to explore and enjoy the rich beauty of wood.
So we got 2 rollers too, one in the front, one in the back. 1, 2, 3,